Hello everyone, hope you are having an amazing day. Welcome to my channel Curry Bites. Today I'm gonna show you how to make this buttery and delicious street style Pav Bhaji at home. Get started. First, to make the bhaji, roughly chop 2 potatoes, 1 cup of cauliflower, 1 small carrot. With this, add half a cup of green peas. Transfer it to a pressure cooker. To this, add in 1.5 cups of water, a teaspoon of salt. Now cover the lid, add the weight and pressure cook this on medium flame for 2 or 3 whistles. Allow the pressure to drop on its own. Meanwhile, finely chop 1 onion, 1 green chilli, 1 capsicum and 2 tomatoes. Once the pressure releases on its own, transfer the contents of the pressure cooker to a bowl and mash everything. Gently mash it well till there are no large chunks of vegetables. Heat up a pan, add in a tablespoon of oil. With this, add in a tablespoon of butter as well. Once the butter starts to melt, to this add in the chopped onions. Sauté till the onions are translucent. Once the onions are translucent, add in the green chilli and capsicum. Saute this till the raw aroma of capsicum goes off. It will take about 2 minutes. Once the raw aroma of capsicum goes off, add in a tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute till a nice aroma of garlic fills the air. It will take about 30 seconds. Now to this, add in the chopped tomatoes. Saute this till the tomatoes are mushy. It's been 5 minutes and the tomatoes are cooked well. Now to this, add in half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1.5 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 2 tablespoons of Pav Bhaji masala. If you couldn't get the ready-made Pav Bhaji masala from store, I have added the recipe for homemade Pav Bhaji masala in the description. Check it out if you require it. Saute it for 30 seconds and add in the mashed vegetables little by little. Mix it well till they are well combined. Mash it once again to ensure there are no large chunks of vegetables. Once it begins to boil and thicken, take a tablespoon of Kasuri methi, crush it gently with the palm of your hands and put it in the Pav Bhaji masala. Mix it well, top it off with a tablespoon of butter and turn off the flame. Now heat up a tawa pan or a girdle. Slit the pav bread into half as shown. Today I have used ready-made pav bread which I bought from a nearby bakery. You can also get this in supermarkets or grocery stores. I am adding a teaspoon of butter to the pan. Sprinkle half a teaspoon of Pav Bhaji masala. Adding Pav Bhaji masala is optional. Toast this pav bread on medium flame for 2 or 3 minutes. Gently press over the top of the pav bread. Now that the bread is toasted, let's plate our pav bhaji. In a small plate, add in enough bhaji. To imitate the ones that I get from street shops, I am going to add half more teaspoon of butter. This is optional, you can skip it if you want. Now I am gonna garnish with some chopped coriander leaves and chopped onions. Serve this along with the toasted pav bread and a lemon wedge. Hope you found this video useful. Subscribe to my channel Curry Bites for more future recipes. Thank you for watching.